everybody, how are you? We are going to make some little pumpkin spice drinks, and what I did is I got these little cups, and they're the real coffee cups from Hobby Lobby, and I cut up a Jello box, and I'm going to paint just the outer rim just in case you see anything. But all we're going to do, because no one's going to see down in here, right? So you don't have to put anything in here. All you have to worry about is the topper. So what we're going to do is we are just going to take some of this paint, like I said, and then I have my spackle all ready. And like I tell you, put them in these containers, they stay. I made this yesterday. That's going to be our whipped cream. Okay, I'm just going to come around, and you really don't have to do this. I just do it just in the event you see anything where I didn't hit it with the whipped cream. It's really not a big deal. These can also be used if you're having a party. Like a lot of times for the holidays, I would have my friends over and we would have dinner. We would have dinner before the holiday. This would be an adorable place setting to put their name with it and for them to take home. I always like them to take something home from my parties, always. Okay, so I used the spiced pumpkin from Deco Art to paint these. I have stickers, so if I want to put a pumpkin on here, and instead of a straw, I think I'm going to use a piece of this craft cinnamon. I'm going to use these cinnamon sticks, and these are from Hobby Lobby. Wait till they're 50% off. You pay $5. Well worth it. I'm going to show you another DIY that I did years ago, and I'm going to do it again because I have a lot of new subscribers. And this particular one that I'm going to show you, the craft that I made with these, not today in this, but another craft for Christmas. So stay tuned for that. Okay guys, for today's DIY for our faux pumpkin spice lattes, we're using these cups from Hobby Lobby. They're coffee cups in the fall section. Optional, you can use stickers, and I'm going to put a sticker and see how I like it. We're using cinnamon sticks. I got these from Hobby Lobby. Get them when they're 40 or 50% off. They're worth it. I'm using some pumpkin spice from Trader Joe's. You can use a stir instead if you didn't want to use a cinnamon stick. I also used the Deco Art Americana spiced pumpkin for the cardboard that I'm going to use, that is going to come down into the coffee cup just about 1/8 of an inch, and that's it. So come back and let's do these. So I have my hot glue, and I'm just going to hit the side of this a little bit. So it'll stay where I put it. Okay. Just wanted to. All right. This is the 16-inch, and this is the 1M Open Star from Wilton. This is my favorite out of all of my tips, and that's the 1M Open Star. Okay, so now, okay, so we have our cups ready. We have the cardboard inside. We have our spackle, and I've done many videos on making this spackle and putting the color and putting it into our bags. I always bring the bag down around my hand, open it up. Everyone has their own way of doing it. This is the way I do it. You want a straight shot into the coupler, okay? So I'm taking a knife that I only use for this purpose. Okay. I'm going to fill the whole thing up. But now what I do is I shake it down. Okay, I'm going to fill the rest of this up, and once this is filled, I'll be right back. So I have it all twisted up, ready to go. I have my little cover, and you get these at Hobby Lobby. And if you don't use all of this, put this on there, tie it with a rubber band, and this will last you. Well, for me, it's lasted me a couple weeks and been perfectly fine, but make sure you put something on the end of this. If you don't have one of these, what I do is I put a wet paper towel in a baggie and then I rubber band it. But before we put the whipped cream, I want to try one of these and see if I like the sticker on there. Let me get my pumpkin spice ready, because you want to put that on right after, because that spackle starts drying quick. I want to see about these stirs, if I want a stir in this or a cinnamon stick. And with the cinnamon sticks, I tried to get the thinnest. I don't want something really, really big, and you don't need a lot. Okay. All right, so let's see. Ooh, that cinnamon smells good from those sticks, you guys. Let's see how this will look. I like it. I'm going to use them. Okay, so I used a tall one on that. Let's use a squatty one. Let's use this one. Cute. All right, so now I'm going to come in Let's get the top of that first. We'll let that sit for a few minutes and then I'll come in and do the rest. Alright, do you see the way you can see just a little bit inside? That's why I painted it. So if I didn't want to go around or I didn't hit all of that, I'd be okay. Okay. Let's get our pumpkin spice. Okay, I don't know about you, but I want to go down right now and get a pumpkin spice latte is what I want to do. All right, now what you could do is you could put your stir in there. Well, actually, you could put the stir and the cinnamon stick, okay? How adorable is that, you guys? No, I'm going to leave it off. I'm just going to put the cinnamon stick. What a cute idea for place settings for Thanksgiving. And then everyone has something to take home. They also, you know, the, shoot, I don't have one around me right now. Doggone it. Well, hold on. I'm going to show you how I did this with something else. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. With my granddaughters, I made this sundae, and then I put one of these, and you don't have to have this part of it, but she was little, so I kept the jewel color, but it's just these that have the curlicue. Well, you can find these very easily right now for Christmas. If you go into the Christmas section at Hobby Lobby where their hooks are, you'll find these, and then all you have to do is put the name tag for the person that's going to be sitting at their table setting, or a picture of them would even be cute. If you have pictures of them, it makes an adorable gift. It really does, and it personalizes it. I think it's adorable. I really do. And that is what I would do with those. If I can find them, well, I'll just buy some more. I have them, you know, I hate that. I have these things, and then when I have these ideas all of a sudden, I'm thinking, doggone, where'd I put them? So, anyway, that's just to give you an idea. And you don't have to do anything. You can just do nothing. I think this would be a really cute teacher's gift. I think it would be adorable for a teacher's gift. And again, I left a little bit you could see down in there. Wipe off the tip, put this back on. Put my cinnamon stick. No, I'm going to put this on first. And there you go. I think these are adorable. Simply adorable. I hope that you'll make these. You don't have to buy these if you don't want. You can put them in a regular glass. With the glass, I have a video on making the pumpkin, either the pumpkin lattes or the pumpkin shakes in glass. Like I say, I have a video on that too. But these are adorable. To me, these look so realistic, and the smell is so good with this pumpkin pie spice. Please let me know if you make these, or send me a picture. You can go to my email. It's in my About Me. Feel free to send them to me. Guys, until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Bye.